Hello, then Dr. Ragini, fertility consultant from 49 Secunderabad branch. Today I would like to discuss about what are the precautions and also what is the treatment that you have to follow post pregnancy once you have conceived. So, the treatment is based on what is the method of conception. If the method of conception was natural conception or IUI conception, then the follow-ups or any medication will be tapered. The pregnancy tablets what we have given you, it will be slowly reduced and given the least at the end. Okay, and I mean to say that if it was a natural conception or an IUI conception, the body is modified in such a way that once the pregnancy is there, the body itself helps the pregnancy to grow. The body gives certain amount of hormones which will helps in the continuation of pregnancy. So, in those patients, the treatment will not be so much prolonged. Just that as a natural pregnancy, once if the pregnancy has come very healthy and the heartbeat has come and the NT scan is normal, we will just advise iron and folic acid with calcium in those patients like is equal to a natural conception. But the scenario is different when it comes to an IVF conception, because IVF conception we are changing the atmosphere in such a way that everything is depend upon the medication what we give. Okay. The pregnancy also will be stand upon by the treatment what we give. So, the body itself is not giving the direct food to the pregnancy in the early weeks of gestation, okay, early weeks of pregnancy. So, once the baby is totally independent, like after NT scan or after TIFA scan, then it will develop its own placenta to give its food. Till then, we have to support the pregnancy with the other medication. So, that is not the situation when it comes to IUI or natural pregnancies, because the body is giving food in the natural and IUI pregnancy, but in IVF pregnancy in some the treatment protocol is changed such that the food is given from the external medication. And once you get conceived in a fertility center, you have liberty to get the checkups done in any of your nearby centers, deliver at your nearby centers. We will have to see you only at least up till NT scan, up till 11 till 13 weeks or at least up till 20 weeks, I mean 5th or 6th month, so that we have a very good scans done in our center. So, all the anomaly scan is all checked and then we are telling you to go and check it in your nearby places. Till at least then we will advise you to follow up in our fertility centers. Next is most frequent is there any need for, is there that we should avoid intercourse or have intercourse? Usually in IVF pregnancies or in any natural pregnancies or IUI or TOC, once the pregnancy is confirmed, that is urine pregnancy test is positive or beta HCG is positive, we will advise them to not to have a strenuous work. Okay. And sexual intercourse is not complete abstinence, but infrequent times they can have the intercourse, that would be fine, not a frequent course of intercourse. And any of having any other doubts regarding pregnancy with IVF or natural or TOC, can do comment below to get it clarified.